In today's video, I'm going to show you the process on how to extend your 30-day visa here in Indonesia for another 30 days. And there's quite a bit that you need to know. After doing some research, the first thing you need to understand is you have to dress right. So you basically have to wear a nice shirt, no singlets. I wore this collared shirt. I think you could just wear a normal shirt, but I just got a collared shirt just in case. And also you have to wear not long pants, but something that covers your knees, because you know some people got some bitchin' kneecaps, so you gotta cover those kneecaps. And you have to wear shoes, bro. You have to wear shoes. It can be sneakers, but just make sure that they're covered. No sandals. And a mask. You have to wear a mask. I also got a photocopy of my passport because they keep your passport for I don't know how many days. You have to keep in mind, guys, that actually this immigration office is only open from Monday to Friday from 7:30 until 12 p.m. and then they close, and then they're open from 1 to 4. So the times are very tight. It's 3:30 right now. We're gonna try to still get in, and hopefully we can get something done, but I don't know. I highly doubt it. So yes, guys, as expected, now too late. You have to come tomorrow morning at 7:30. So basically the way it works is that you have to submit an application, and then after you submit the application you have to come back for the interview and the fingerprints, and then you have to come back and get your passport back. So it's a fucking terrible process. It's really annoying, and I've read about it online and it's the worst. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go to a visa agent, let them do it for me. I think it's gonna cost maybe like just a little bit more. I'll put it here and explain to you guys how much it costs, instead of having to go through this whole process, because I heard that it takes 3 or 4 hours. You have to sit there and it's just really annoying. And the worst part is I had to get a Gojek driver to bring me all the way here, and it was like a good 20-minute ride. So imagine having to come back here 3 times, and it's really far from where you're staying, because I'm in Seminyak and the immigration office is in Denpasar. So if you're staying somewhere else that's even farther, you're kind of screwed. After doing some research on Google, I found this place called Fabio Visa Agency, and they have really great reviews. So I came straight here, and basically they do the whole process for you, and I just paid 80,000 K. But it's because I'm in advance. If you are in a rush and you need to extend your visa really quick, it's 1.2 million, or if you need it in 3 days, it's 1.4 million. But it's really good, guys. I came here, I gave them my passport, they fill out the paperwork for you, they go to immigration for you, and all you actually have to do is go to immigration one time for the fingerprints and something else, and then after that they give you your passport back, and you don't have to go to immigration 3 times. They'll do it for you. So I think it's worth the money, because if you do it yourself it's $26, but with them it's just I think a little bit over $40 more, and you don't have to go through that whole hassle of waiting in immigration for hours, going back 3 times, and possibly just doing something incorrectly. They'll do everything for you. They even fill out the form, guys. So the next process after this is they're gonna send me a message on WhatsApp, and then I'm gonna have to go back to immigration just to do the fingerprints, and that's really it. But we're all good to go. I'm here for another month, and yeah, let's see what happens after this. All right, guys, here it is. We're back in immigration, and this time I brought my little dress, yo. Gonna get approved for another 30 days. So basically what happened is yesterday I received a WhatsApp message from the visa agent saying that today I'm able to come today to get my fingerprints, and I don't know what's the whole process I have to do. They'll do it there for me, and then basically after that I'm free to go, and they'll take care of the rest, and all I have to do is go back to the agency and pick up my passport. Now it's about 8:15 in the morning right now, so I'm about to go in there. But basically you have to go between 8 in the morning and 12 p.m. So we're gonna go in right now and see how difficult or how much time it's gonna take, but hopefully it should be nice and smooth. Also, don't forget your mask, guys. It's very important. Basically the immigration agent gave me this number, and I gave the number to counter number 4, and I got my little ticket. It's C142, but right now they're at C70, so it's gonna take a while. I think I don't know how many hours, but it looks like it's gonna be a while because it's not moving too fast. It is 10:42 and we're out. Fairly easy. So in total it took about 2.5 hours wait, but they have internet in there, the chairs are comfortable, there's air con, so I was there on my laptop just working, and I didn't mind it whatsoever. And the fingerprints is, you just do quickly do your fingerprints, they take a picture of you, you do a signature. The lady did start asking me questions like, what am I doing here, when do I leave, or where am I going to next, but very simple questions that kind of like immigration people ask you. And then that's really it. It took no longer than, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes doing the picture and the fingerprints, and then I'm out. Now the next thing is that the visa agent will actually come back here. They'll pick up my passport, and then I'll just gotta go to the office of theirs and pick it up. But I highly do recommend doing it with the visa agent. You'll save a lot of time, a lot of hassle, a lot of effort, and it's just be a smoother process if they do it. But anyways, let me know down below if you have any other questions or any concerns. I'm happy to answer them for you, but we get another month in Bali, and we're gonna have a great time and make some awesome videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Chris Rodriguez, bye.